Welcome to Ultimately Off-Grid. Just a short video this week, mostly to show the storm damage we've had around the place. Significant amount of water came through here and the culvert got blocked, so it washed straight over the top. The next day Ray came up and chucked a bit of metal over the top, so at least we could use this section of the driveway. And at the top, the cows have done their job. The grass is all gone in this paddock, looking pretty good. And just as a comparison, the grass in the other paddock where the cows haven't been, still super long. So we went for a walk down the bottom just to have a look to see what other damage there was, and to take Erin down to the stream to have a look because she hadn't had a chance to go down there yet while she's been up for the summer. And you can definitely see that there's been quite a lot of water through here. The neighbour said around about 700 odd mils, so that's a significant amount of rainfall over a short period of time. As we walk down alongside the neighbour's stream here, we can see heaps of debris blocking the way. Made a huge mess. The water has been up pretty high here. And getting to the top of the driveway, I noticed some more flattened grass. There must have been a flow of water down this bit of a hill here. And lastly, my beautiful macrocarpa for my gardens. Thanks to Dallas and Ryan for picking it up from Parongia.